If you or someone you love is 70 or older, what I'm about to tell you will affect your daily life, your freedom, and even how you plan your CPP and retirement budget. Canada is bringing major senior driving changes in 2026, and most people have no idea what's coming. Hi everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel, the place where we explain CPP, OAS, GIS and senior life updates in calm, clear language. Today's topic is urgent, Canada's new senior driving rules coming in 2026, and yes, these rules could affect whether you keep driving, or lose that independence unexpectedly. So please stay with me, because what you hear today can save you stress, time, and even thousands of dollars. Last month, Margaret from Kelowna wrote to me. She's 72. She said, I heard a rumor that seniors will be forced to take a new driving test in 2026, and I panicked. I rely on driving just to buy groceries and see my grandkids. I can't afford taxis. I can't afford to stop living. Margaret was scared, and she is not alone. I've received dozens of messages from seniors and families asking, will I lose my license at 70 automatically? Do I have to take a road test again? Will I need medical forms every year? Will this affect my disability benefits? How much will this cost? That's exactly why this video exists, so you know what's changing, how to prepare, and how to stay in control. Starting January 2026, Canada is expected to standardize and tighten senior driving rules nationwide. Doctors, nurse practitioners, and specialists will be required to report medical issues that affect driving, such as memory decline, heart conditions, stroke history, or neurological problems. Vision loss is one of the top causes of accidents among seniors. 2026 rules will require standard nationwide eye exam proof, including visual acuity check, peripheral vision test, contrast and depth perception. These won't be trick tests, they are short reaction time checks to ensure processing speed is safe for traffic. Most provinces will require in-person renewal for drivers 70+, instead of renewing online or by mail. Beginning 2026. Age 75 to 79 renew every 2 years. Age 80+ renew every year. Not everyone will be tested, only cases where a doctor flags risk, a crash or near miss occurred. Medical notes suggest reduced ability. These rules are not designed to remove licenses, but to protect you and help you keep driving longer, safely. Most seniors on CPP, OAS, or GIS live on fixed monthly income. Example averages. CPP average, around $830 per month. OAS, around $713 per month. GIS, over $1,000 per month for low-income seniors. If you unexpectedly lose driving privileges, life costs go way up. Buses, community transport, delivery fees. This adds $1,800 to $4,000 a year in transportation costs. So, staying medically ready and licensed is a financial planning strategy. Here's your calm, stress-free checklist. Book a vision exam every year. Talk openly with your doctor, be proactive. Write a list of your medications. Read your provincial driver handbook, 10 minutes a day. Save $10 to $15 per month to cover renewal fees. Talk with your family early, prepare, don't panic. The new rules are not about taking away freedom. They're about helping seniors stay independent longer. If this video helped you understand the 2026 rules in a calm and clear way, please support the channel. Thumbs up, like the video. Left speech bubble, comment your city below. Bell, turn on notifications. Push pin, subscribe for CPP, OAS, GIS and senior life updates. Your support helps me keep creating videos that protect seniors across Canada. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. Red Heart. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.